What's up guys? In today's video I'm going to be doing some chase lights on my 2019 TRD off-road. This is the new truck that I just got, so super excited to add some newer mods on here. So let's go ahead and get this started. Third gen Tacomas, we only have the two bed rails here, but the second gens actually have a third bed rail that goes along there. So I actually purchased this through the dealership. I have the part number right here, so you could definitely hit up your local dealer and you can get this piece here. So I'm going to show you how we can go ahead and install this, then we can add some more accessories to the back. Alright, so this is what it looks like when we got it out. So it actually still already has the existing holes that will go back in those, and all you'll need is a T30 hex. So look at that, all the holes line back up. Alright, that's how it looks afterwards. So nice. Right here we got the Cali Rays off-road. These are actually the mounting hardware for some chase lights. And here we got the Baja Designs S2 Sports in amber. These are definitely kind of tricky to install, but just be patient, you'll get it in. And I did notice, just put the bolt in first before you lock those down. All right, got them all installed. Looks so good. I ran it through right here, and I actually tapped the hole in all the way to the back. So now we can connect our wire harness here and then start running it through. Run it from there. About to go underneath it, run it to the hood. Here's the wire right here, and I still have to just zip tie this all the way through. It's basically just running all the way to the back there. So from Baja Designs, they actually don't give you the relay, so I actually got this one from Walmart, and I just cut off just the pieces that I kind of needed. So we want to run the wire going to the switch, going through the firewall right there. You want to just get in there as best as you can. The positive and the negative hooked up right here, and we still have to hook up. So this is the relay from Walmart because the Baja Designs didn't come with one. To hook up a push switch, you do want to get one of these because it will circuit it out. That's what they told me. Still got to mount this guy here. So this wire right here is actually going to the chase lights in the rear, and the other side is going to the inside to the push switch. All right, so we got the wire and pulled it through the firewall, so it's good to go now. Actually thinking about replacing my auto high beam, and then I'll switch it out to the rear light one. So we have to do that. We have to pull this panel down from here, push it down, and then try to figure it out. This down right here. And what I'm gonna do is remove this bucket access to this button right here. I removed all 4 of these screws, and we can take this out. And just unclip it from this guy right here, and it'll come up. We put it in there. I got this one actually through Ralgo Fabrication. Alright, so I just tested it all out to make sure it's all good, and then I'll go ahead and wire this up good. If you have any questions on how to hook this up, see I got the rear lights. I got another video, so I can put the link in the description box here. But everything's working here, so press the button, it lights up. Sick. So that's the finished product right there. Turn on my lights. Turn on. Got the switch all dialed in, looks super nice. And push the button, illuminates up. And that's what they look like.